Organizing Amazon Flex packages efficiently can help you maximize your delivery speed and reduce stress. Here's how to do it. Scan and sort at the pickup location. When you arrive at the Amazon delivery station, scan each package with the Amazon Flex app to confirm it's assigned to you. Sort packages by delivery zones or neighborhoods to make the route more efficient. If the app doesn't automatically categorize them, use the delivery addresses to group packages logically. Sort by size and type. Organize packages into groups based on size. Keep smaller items in a separate, easily accessible area so you can quickly grab them. For items that need special handling, keep them separate for quick identification during deliveries. Use a systematic approach. Place packages in your vehicle from the farthest stop to the nearest, ensuring you're not digging through items for each delivery. Keep the heaviest packages at the bottom and smaller items on top to prevent damage. Keep the app open. As you make each delivery, ensure the app is up to date with accurate package scans, marking each package as delivered as you go.